Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the LEVOIT LVAC-200 cordless stick vacuum, a lightweight and versatile cleaner designed to make daily floor maintenance effortless. If you want an affordable vacuum that handles pet hair and hard floors with ease, this one delivers. Let me break down the specs. It weighs just 3.2 pounds with the full setup assembled, making it incredibly easy to maneuver. Battery runtime reaches up to 50 minutes in eco mode with attachments, 30 minutes with the floor head, and 12 minutes in turbo mode. Suction power is rated at 70 air watts with 180 W power consumption. The 0.75-liter dustbin empties with one click. Filtration uses a 5-stage system capturing 99.9% of particles down to 0.3 microns, though it's not HEPA certified. Noise level is 77.5 decibels. The vacuum lies 180 degrees flat with 3 LED headlights for under-furniture cleaning. Included attachments feature a 2-in-1 pet tool with brush and a crevice tool. The Anti-Tangle brush uses rubber and cloth fins instead of bristles to actively resist hair wrap, saving you maintenance time. Real-world reviews praise its powerful suction on hard floors and low-pile rugs, with one reviewer noting it performed almost on par with a Dyson Gen 5 Detect, costing 5 times more. It excels at pet hair pickup, passing rigorous tests with flying colors. However, it struggles with deep pile carpets and requires multiple passes on high pile rugs. The dustbin is on the smaller side at 0.58-0.75 L, and the 4 to 5 hour recharge time is lengthy. It stands on its own without a dock. If you want a lightweight, budget-friendly cordless vacuum that excels on hard floors and pet hair cleanup, the LEVOIT LVAC-200 delivers. Link in description. Thanks for watching.